Hey guys, and welcome back for the next episode of Pokemon Planet. Today we're going to continue our journey, and this time we're going to Vermillion City. So let's just get going. Because last time we took on the gym and won our second badge, and if you didn't see that episode, there will be a link in the description to that episode so you can see it. But not this way. Because in the original games you actually walk that way, but in here you don't. So you just walk down here, and you can take the stairs over here. Then I think, or is it, let's try the hill instead, because there is some grass patches and when you get out of Vermillion City, and there are some hills you jump down to, and that would be here where there are houses. Because in this grass patch, alright, you can find Pidgey or the Spellsprout Meowth in here, but in the original games this would actually be where you find Abra. So that guy, do we have to battle that guy? I think we have to battle this guy if he wants to battle, and he actually didn't. What does he want? He says, "Which way to the casino, good sir? I'm yearning for a grand payout." And that's that. So, nothing special. And I'm not going to check out the house because I don't think there's anything special about it. So we're going this way, and as you can see, we can't just walk right through here, because then it will be a lot quicker, because on the map we are right here right now, and if we walk through the gate we will get to Saffron City, but for some reasons the guards won't let us pass that, so we can just walk through and get to Vermillion City, which is here. So we have to take another way, and the guard says, sorry, but the road is closed. Apparently, just that. In the original games, the reason you can't go through is because the guards are very thirsty. So instead there are these underground paths. There are two. There are this one from Cerulean City to Vermillion City, and when we're done in Vermillion City, we will have to go back to Cerulean City and take another route to another cave. I just forgot what the cave was named, but I think we see that on the map. The Rock Tunnel, that's the power plant. Rock Tunnel, that's the cave we're going to get to Lavender Town, and then there will be another underground path so we can get to Celadon City. And in Celadon City we can buy some fresh water to give the guards, if that's even necessary. So, but now we are on the other side of the underground path, and the Pokemon you can catch here are nothing special, really. In the grass it's just the same Pidgeot spells from Meowth, but here you can fish for Magikarp, Goldeen, and Poliwag, or if you're lucky you can even get a Poliwhirl, or if you're very lucky you can get a Slowpoke or Gyarados or even a Psyduck. And if you surf you can find Tentacool and Slowpoke and Psyduck. Let's see, let's just battle these trainers here so we can get some more experience. I actually trained some of my Pokemon a little, especially Vermillion and Pidgeotto and Nidorina. And Nidorina mostly so she could be in level 20. But now they finally shut down the summer event, so that's over. So we have to train in other places where it can take a little while longer to train than it did at the summer event. But that's okay. We'll just have to have a lot of patience. And I don't know if you noticed, but we actually have enough money now to buy a pickaxe if we wanted that. But right now, when we get to Vermillion City, we will have to get a fishing rod also. So I will buy that first, and eventually when we get back to when we have to go through the Diglett's tunnel, we can buy the pickaxe if we have enough money for that, but I think we will. So this trainer actually has a Squirtle, so we'll get to see a Squirtle at least one time. And also a Charmander. That's special. Let's see. Let's try enough more. Even a Bulbasaur. I'll switch out to Pidgeotto because Pidgey won't win against Bulbasaur, I'm afraid, or it will take a long time at least. But Pidgey isn't very strong against Bulbasaur or very effective against it, so it won't be a good match. So let's just keep going and battle some trainers. We can get some experience and some extra cash. So alright, here we will have to switch out again, and this time I'll use Charmeleon because Pidgey against a Pikachu is a very bad combination. Also, Pidgey would not have a very big chance of winning against that Pikachu. So I think we are going over here. No, apparently not. This game is so different than the main games. So, but let's battle this trainer, and then I think we will be in Vermillion City. Okay, so just switch out. The Pidgey won't faint and get some experience anyway. And we'll just keep going with Vermillion. And use Dragon Ray. And we want to, so let's see if this is Vermillion City. And it was. So here we actually are in Vermillion City, where a lot of trainers actually gather. And that scientist right there is a NPC you can talk to, and then you can make some custom maps or enter some other custom maps or something. I'm not really sure about how that works, but it's kind of, I think it's kind of cool. So here we have the Pokemon Center, and our Pokemon are now healed. So the first thing I want to do is go over here. You can see right down there that there's a person who's fishing, and I don't think she just bought her fishing rod today, but I don't know. So, but in here we have a fisherman, and he says that he's the fishing guru, and he simply loves fishing and can't bear to go without fishing. Fishing is a way of life, don't you agree? And perhaps it is. So, exactly. I'll tell you what, I'll sell you an old rod for 5k. Or 5,000. So, let's buy an old rod, and then we can fish for water type Pokemon now. So, but I think I want to wrap this up now, and then we can try to fish in the next episode, and then you'll see the rest of Vermillion City, and we will start to go on the SSN and see if we can find move cut. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more. And if you like this video or some of my other videos, please leave a like. And I know I said in a previous episode that I probably would do some videos about a game I used to play named RuneScape, and about some Sims videos, but I haven't really had time to get started on those because I'm doing other things, and I'm playing this game also. So right now I will focus on this, and when I have the time, I don't know when that'll be or if I will get the time, I will make some other videos. But as of now, I will just focus on this. So thank you again for watching, and please remember to subscribe and like this video if you liked it, or any of my other videos. And we'll see you next time. Bye.